In this video, we'll talk about drinking alkaline water. Another useful biohack that can add to improve your lifestyle is to drink alkaline water. This is one of the latest discoveries in the health and wellness sector, and it's something that can easily be implemented in your life. We all know that water is key to every tissue, organ, and cell in our bodies. However, many of us fail to stay as hydrated as we should by drinking enough glasses of water. Now, new evidence has shown that not only do we need to drink more water, but the type of water that we drink is equally important. Alkaline water is believed to be the best thing for us to drink. Why is this the case? Why is alkaline water better? Water is made up of oxygen and hydrogen, with a number of hydrogen ions in the water being measured as a pH figure. Alkaline water contains fewer hydrogen ions and has a higher pH level than standard tap water. Water has a pH level which ranges between 0 and 14.7 is said to be neutral, with an equal balance between alkaline and acidic. When water has a pH level of under 7, it is acidic, and higher than 7 makes it alkaline. Water from the faucet in the USA usually has a pH of between 4.3 and 5.3, depending on whereabouts in the country you live. Those who extol the virtues of alkaline water say that the larger number of hydrogen ions helps to provide more hydration when compared to regular water, particularly if you've been working out. They also believe that regular tap water that has an acidic pH causes too much acid to build up in your cells and blood, resulting in a range of health issues. They believe that alkaline water can reduce the amount of acid in your bloodstream, giving your metabolism a boost, increasing your energy levels, slowing down the aging process, improving your digestion, and even reducing your bone loss. Some believers even say that it can starve cancer cells. Alkaline water is an antioxidant that neutralizes the free radicals which cause DNA and cellular damage. Thanks to the smaller cluster size of the water, it can penetrate the cells more easily to hydrate you more effectively. And its higher concentration of alkaline minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium helps to ensure better health. Alkaline water is also rich in oxygen, which increases the amount of oxygen dissolved in the blood. And thanks to its detoxifying abilities, it can eliminate the buildup of mucus on the walls of the colon to improve your body's nutrient-absorbing abilities. This kind of water can flush out the toxins and acidic waste which has accumulated in your body, while the negatively charged ions help to boost your alertness, mental clarity, and energy levels. It can even help to control your weight and stay healthy in the long term, since pollutants that are usually found in tap water are removed. How to benefit from alkaline water? If you're ready to experience the benefits that drinking alkaline water can bring, you need to know how you can get a hold of it. While you can buy bottled alkaline water in stores, you can make it yourself at home with a water ionizer. A water ionizer is a compact unit that connects to the water supply in your kitchen. It carries out low-voltage electrolysis on your tap water before drinking it or using it in your kitchen for cleaning or cooking. A water ionizer uses a special attachment which redirects the water from the faucet through a hose into the unit. In the unit, water is filtered to take out the most common pollutants, which are found in regular tap water. Next, the water which has been filtered passes into a chamber which is equipped with titanium electrodes coated with platinum, and it is in this chamber where the electrolysis takes place. Positive ions, or cations, come together at the negative electrodes. This creates reduced or cathodic water. Meanwhile, the anions, or negatively charged ions, come together at the positive electrode. This makes oxidized or anodic water. The ionized water is directed to the faucet, while the ionized water is directed to a different hose, which leads to the sink. The ionized water can then be used for cooking or drinking. As a bonus, The oxidized water is useful as a sterilizing agent that can be used for cleaning utensils, food, and hands, and treating eczema and wounds. If you invest in a water ionizer for your home, you can enjoy all the benefits of alkaline water every day without any fuss or hassle.